Hello again. In the previous video, we have showcased how the site application was built on top of Matrix 42 platform. Now we're gonna focus on the technical point of view where the technician will be able to handle the application itself using his mobile device, and in case he had no connectivity, what he should do, and whenever he gets back the connection, how it's gonna sync back to Matrix 42 automatically. That being said, let me jump to my incidents here. We have a lot of going on incidents, and the last one I have here is 483. Let's remember this one. So if we get a new update, it will show up directly. I'm gonna fetch up my Android emulator, as you can see here with me on the screen. I'll try to fit it in here a little bit more. All right, it's an Android emulator which can showcase. As you can see, we have compiled an application for Protea Coin. If we go into this application right now, we just click it, it will launch up and it will ask me for credentials. I'm gonna get that really quickly. All right. The username I'm gonna use is this one. The password. All right, as you can see, we got access to the mobile application. Please bear with me because I'm using an emulator over here. So we can have full access to all application modules. If I was an admin, I would be able to see my service desk, my site management, everything. And if I'm a technician, maybe I'll have the permission just to see the self-service portal and my service desk application or tasks or whatever. And if I click on the navigation tab, I can see whatever is for me in the catalog. I can see what is pending for my approvals and so. Now, what should a technician do when he is in the field and want to see what's going on? So we can go to an incident, for example, where I need to check this site. Whenever I click on this site, I can simply click on edit, and there's a new custom tab called job card. Whenever I can click it, I can see all the related information and I can edit them. All right, and I can attach a picture if that's something I need to do. I should fill in all the right information. We can make those fields mandatory. We can make those fields pop up based on a specific condition or query, and so on. And we can upload the images after it's done. Whenever I'm good with it, I just click on save, and that's it. I saved it for my end. Now, what if I did not have connectivity on that site? We have created a small integration with Google Sheets because they work offline. So now if I go to Sheets here, I can see that I have this kind of form. For example, it has information, and for the sake of this testing, I can just click on mobile example 2024, which can be actually the site ID, for example. And I can modify any kind of information like the technician. I have a list of 3. I can, let's say, decide it's this technician, and I can do a lot more. As per the document here, I can choose the type of battery. For example, I can make it lithium. I can choose this option. change this to tested cameras and so. And after I finalize, keeping that I don't have connection, when I do have connection, it will automatically sync, of course, because that's what's cool about Google Sheets, sorry. I just need to put the status to unsynced, and that's it for me. I'm done. I've done everything that I should. Now, if you saw with me here, it suddenly changed from unsynced to synced automatically. Now, how does that reflect to Matrix 42? We go to our service desk as an admin, and if you refresh, we can see that a site mobile example 2024 has been initiated with all the information that I pushed from my mobile device. So if I go to the job card, I can see all the information I set along with the picture. Now for this demo environment, I just put all the information that was shared with us and just doing like this kind of demo fill up. This should be a fail proof and an evidence that we can integrate with any let's say any third-party application. We can build one, of course, with much beautiful UI, more comprehensive maybe for the type of work, but you know, for this POC we just wanted to prove the concept that this is doable. And the cool thing about this integration is that it's less than 200 lines of code, which means it's pretty much minimal efforts, and it can be done and convenient with all the applications that you recommend. All right, so this is a proof of that it can automatically sync, and we can do it again. If I put my mobile phone here, so airplane mode, let me see if I can do this now. Turn off internet and the Wi-Fi. So now I don't have any connection. And if I just change this to, let's say, test offline, and I change, let's say, this user to another user and just change the status to unsynced, that's it. If I go back to my connection and restore connection, it should automatically now be working. Yeah, just click on this one, and in a minute or two it should automatically run the scripts, and we should find it on our service desk. Also, we can do this process directly if we had internet connection. See, the connection is stopped, and now if you can see here on the screen, it says new ticket inbound, which means we have restored connection. And if we refresh once again, we should see test site test. So this actually proves the concept. Of course, it can be better UI, 100%. It can be much fail proof, no need for typos, etc. Yeah, we can definitely do that, as well as we can integrate with Google Forms directly. Now we don't have the forms set up yet. However, if it's like a mean of integration, it can also be done. It's not a problem at all. So yeah, this is the user experience, how everything goes from left to right. And also let's not fail that if I want to have some visibility from my phone, I can definitely do that. To showcase this, I'm gonna jump again to service desk. You can see I can see the tickets needs my attention. I can have more interactive dashboards if that's something is really needed. I can see my change requests, I can see my incidents, what's pending on me. And this is the new ticket. If I, let's say later on, needed to modify something, I just simply can go through the application, click on the job card, modify anything I want, and it will automatically do this change back to the Google Sheet I have showed you. So it's bidirectional integration. And vice versa, if I still don't have internet connection, I can do the modification on the sheet and it will automatically update this information on matrix 42. Yeah, that should show everything. And last thing I would like to showcase here is that we also have the functionality to add the assets that I have used into solving this case. I can attach more services, more users, and can create subtasks within the same incident. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.